And here's how you can add elements from other projects into another project. So I have the shadow boxing project open, and notice on the left here, you can browse for your files. So first and foremost, just go under add folder here, add your favorite folder, add wherever you saved the jungle production kit, just add that folder in, and then you can find it here. So under here, I found my jungle production kit. It's right here. So you see jungle kit. I just have a different name here, but it is the kit. And if you expand on it, you can then see here's the actual project file. Expand on it, on the actual project file, then you can see the different layers. Here's the drum layer. Here's the bleep stab. Here's the rave stab. Now you can expand on an instrument and then you can see all the little clips. But what you can do is just click on the instrument, rave stab, click, and drag it across into your project. And now I've added the rave stab from the jungle production kit into my shadowboxing project. So I hope that helped.